In my forecast, I explain how warm ocean gives more power to storms. Hurricane gets stronger, faster, and we have seen that. My audience is from Mexico, Puerto Rico, Cuba. So even though I am in US, in Colorado, I have to talk about the weather in different places because they cares about it. So I have to talk about the hurricane, the level rise, the warm temperature in the water. In that way, I can explain better how the hurricane is gonna be and how it's gonna be the weather in that places because they ask for that. Even though I am in Colorado, I have to talk about the weather anywhere. We have seen so many changes, more tornadoes, more severe weather, heat wave, especially in Texas. A couple years ago, they were like weeks with heat wave. We have to check all the time what is happening in different places because the US is so big, especially in Colorado, for example, when I talk to somebody who is living there for a long time, they used to say, we get more snow before than now. Winter is like a summer for us, so we have seen so many changes even in the season. Seasons are different too. It's important to have a clear message about climate change. In the simple way, the best way to explain what is the climate change. I have the best reference to explain people about climate change and what to do because it's not always the bad news about climate change. We have to talk about the good things, the thing that we are doing right now to try to fix the future. So the best reference that I have is my mom. She has so many questions all the time about climate change and she's scared all the time about what is happening right now. So that's why I have to explain to her and the best way that I have to explain to my audience what is climate change in the simple way. But it's not just to talk about the bad things every day that I have to be on TV. It's to talk about what we are doing because we are doing something. We are trying to keep together, trying to find the solution and don't get worse. So that's why when I see my mom scared, I see so many people are scared about climate change and what is happening and what is going to happen. So that's why it's important to give solutions, advice, and to tell people that we are going to be fine if we keep doing what we are doing right now. So it's important to communicate every day, not the bad things all the time. We have to say that we are doing something and we are going to get better.